So what I'm looking at here is Quercus berberidifolia, or California scrub oak. It's pretty old. I think it might be 300 years old. Look how thick that thing is. It's about 3 feet wide right there. You can see it. It's hollowed out in the middle. These things don't grow very tall. This isn't even 20 feet tall. It's about what? Not even 7 meters. Look at it from over here. I mean, look at that. So I would say that's probably more like 12, 15, maybe 15 feet tall. It's about, I don't know, 5 to 6 meters tops. But it's pretty spread out. It's got a low canopy.